All right, so if you're looking at two categorical variables to test for a relationship, the simplest thing to do is a chi-squared test of independence. This will just tell you if there's a relationship, if there's enough evidence to say there is a relationship between your two variables. To do that test, that is actually, crazily enough, not in just the lists of tests here. We instead need to go to tables. And StatCrunch has the chi-squared test for independence embedded within the contingency table, because the contingency table is how we display two categorical variables. You guys should be doing this with data. And you're just going to choose the two variables that you want to look at. So in this case, I'm looking at does drinking coffee have any relationship with whether or not someone's a student? And you can see chi-squared test for independence is already highlighted. If you press compute, you get your contingency table as well as a test statistic and a p-value for a chi-squared test.